Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, in this video I am sharing a very beautiful collection of simple, unique, creative hand embroidery designs for dresses. Different patterns of hand embroidery have been used on different colors along with a very beautiful blend of colorful threads to make these floral embroidery patterns more creative. So you can design your boatneck style shirts, kurtis, tops, and blouses by following these very beautiful patterns of embroidery and could look amazing. So most of the times I mostly recommend you that instead of paying a lot of heavy price for heavily tagged designer style handmade dresses, you can try these designs and become a designer of your own by sitting at your home. So let me move back towards our main detailing. The materials that are required for making these patterns are an embroidery frame, an embroidery needle, and an embroidery thread. And the thread which you want to use is you could use Anchor or DMC for matte and sleek look of everyday wear. And if you want to give a formal touch, and you can use silky threads. And if you want to give it a look of 3D thick embroidery, then you can use wool for making these embroidery patterns. So guys, I try my best on daily basis to share amazing and easy to make and especially less time consuming and beginner friendly embroidery designs. Some simple basic embroidery stitches like French knot, stem stitch, chain stitch, ring knot, satin stitch, lazy daisy and twisted stitch have been used to make these embroidery patterns. The beauty and creativity of these designs is that they require 2 to 3 embroidery patterns for making the whole embroidery design. Guys, if you really like my ideas and designs, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from other devices as well because subscribers are very important. And keep showering your love, keep supporting us as you always have been, so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. And one more thing, guys, we try our best to share ideas with you. The basic concern and purpose of our video is to share ideas, not to reclaim someone else's work as our own. So, with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and stylish ideas. So, stay tuned for the new upcoming videos on my channel as well. And comment below in the comment section that which design you like the most and why.